Hi everybody, welcome to another painting session here. Today I'm going to do something kind of fun, kind of different. You can all try this at home. It's an easy, fun abstract. I call it my wipe and reveal method. And as you can see here, I've already wrote all over this canvas. I painted it green first, and then I wrote all over it with, of course, a paint marker. I love these secured paint markers. They're awesome. They're waterproof. They're cool. They're expensive, but buy them because they write really well on everything. They do great graffiti work, and they're waterproof, and you can varnish over them. Anyways, they're just awesome. Another product I want to push, this is a must in the studio. I'll leave a link down below. It's called 1000 Plus Stain Remover. Every artist has to have this, whether you're an oil painter or an acrylic painter. I'm telling you, this stuff is the bomb. It's the bomb. So go into eBay and buy this stuff and try it out. It gets rid of all kinds of paint stains on your hands and cleans up brushes. It's awesome. Anyways, let's get the old trusty hat on, my old German hat on, and get this show on the road. Okay, so as you can see, it already has revealing written on it, but we're going to go over with blue paint, and we're going to use a couple of catalyst tools to do this, to do the wipe and swipe. So let's go with it. Boom. Do it fast. Fast painting, see, we don't want to. And it's probably, let's get a little bit of water on that. A little bit thinner. Kind of slightly cover all this up. And you gotta let that bottom color dry first. Otherwise, you're just gonna be lifting them both up. Okay, so get it on pretty thick. Cover up all those letters the best you can. And not everything's going to be revealed, but most of it will be. Okay, so it's a good color. We like that so far. Don't want to scrub it in too much. Just like that. Kind of give it a nice graffiti feel. Oops. Here's and smear. Here's and smear. Okay, we got another one lined up here in a minute. We're going to do this pretty fast. Woo! Fast! Fast! Okay. Now we got that going like that. We're just going to get a little bit of water. Kind of lightly mist. Get your catalyst tool. And use a rag to wipe it off. Isn't that awesome, guys? Oh man, I'm liking this already. Look at that, guys. Just a fun piece to do. And anybody can do this. It's my technique. I've come up with it many, many years ago. But I thought I'd share it today. I used to be in the interior decorator business, and I really like this kind of stuff. So if you're an interior painter, try this out. You'll love it. It's a great little piece. It's got a nice graffiti piece feel to it. Look at that. And I'm liking that, you guys. I don't want to overdo it. And you don't have to unveil everything. It's just, there it is, guys. I like it. Revealing. Hope you guys like that. I'm going to do another one right now. And it's basically the same thing. It actually is, except for it's love. So let's get down to part 2 here. Thanks, guys.